Hello guys and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can delete your Safari history completely from settings. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is clear it from Safari app. So let's go to Safari app, and then what we need to do is just tap on this book icon, then tap on clear, and make sure to tap on clear to delete history. However, if you want to delete it completely, then go to settings, and in the search bar type Safari. Now scroll down and you can see the clear history and website data. Just tap on it and then delete your history. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.